Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS, and we are making egg curry for 3 people. We are using 7 hard-boiled eggs. Now finely chop 2 onions, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger and 8 to 10 garlic cloves. This mini chopper has been a savior. You should definitely try this. Also chop 2 medium tomatoes. Now heat 3 to 4 tablespoons mustard oil in a pan or wok, and let's see the whole spices. Take 1 whole mace, cinnamon and 2 dried red chilies. Now add these into the oil and add chopped onion, green chilies, ginger and garlic. Saute and cook well. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and 1.5 teaspoon meat masala. This meat masala is the MTH one, as you already know, and it really enhances the taste of the gravy. Now saute and mix well. Add in chopped tomatoes and add some salt to cook them nicely. Now add half teaspoon dry mango powder or amchur powder and mix well. Add some water to make the gravy and cook it well. Now heat 1 teaspoon ghee or butter in another pan and add the boiled and peeled eggs. Sprinkle 2 to 3 pinches each of turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Now shake and mix to coat all the eggs properly. Add these eggs to the gravy and garnish with chopped green coriander. Enjoy this egg curry with rice, roti or naan. You will definitely make this recipe several times after trying once. So give us your reviews in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for many more amazing content. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.